Hello friends, today I am gonna tell you how to solve a Rubik's Cube. So the first step to solve the Rubik's Cube is that you have to become familiar with the parts of the Rubik's Cube. So let me tell you the parts of the Rubik's Cube. This is the center piece, these are the edge pieces, and these are the corner pieces. So solving of Rubik's Cube is divided into three parts. First we have to solve the top color in the first layer, then second layer, that is the middle layer, and then the bottom color, and then at last the third layer. So let's solve the first layer. To solve the first layer, choose a color. I am choosing blue, you can choose any color. So to solve the first layer, you have to make a cross. I have to make a blue cross, but it is not necessary that we have to only make the cross. We have to plus add something by making a cross. Like this, we have placed blue here. We have to also do like blue, orange because the center piece is orange. So there should be a piece which will be containing two colors, that is blue and orange. So it will be blue, orange, and at all the sides, center piece yellow, blue, yellow, blue, red, blue, white. So we have to do this. This is in the first step of the solving of first layer. So let's solve. We have to place here a piece which will be containing two colors, and that is blue, white. So blue, white, and here is blue, white, and we have to place it here. So very simple. Here is blue, white, we have to place it here, so we will just rotate it up. But it is blue, white. So to make a solution to this problem, you have to do a very few steps, and that is rotate it to the left, rotate it this to the left, bring it up, and bring it back to the position. You can pause the video for seeing it again, and you have done it blue, white. Now the next, blue, orange. You have to place a piece here which will be containing of two colors, blue and orange. So we have to find that piece. Here is the piece, you have to place it here. So just rotate it up. Blue, orange. Blue, white. Now the next edge piece, blue, yellow. Find that piece. This is the piece. Rotate it just up. Blue, yellow. Now blue, red. And this is the piece, blue, red. We have to follow the same steps again. Blue, red. We have solved the blue cross plus blue, white, blue, orange, and the same centers. Now the time for corner pieces. This whole corner pieces. To place the correct corner piece, you have if you have to place a corner piece here, then this corner piece will be containing of three right colors. That will be on upper side, the center piece is blue. Then it will be containing blue color. This side center piece is white, it will be containing white color. This side center piece is red, it will be containing red color. So we have to place a corner piece here which will be containing three color, blue, white and red, to place it correct. So we have to find a corner piece where there is three colors, blue, white and red. So here is the corner piece, blue, white and red, and we have to place it here. But if you just try to place it here, then this is the correct piece, but the colors are switched. Blue should be here, white should be here, and red should be here. So it is white, white, matched, all the matched sides. But it is not matched. So I will show you how to switch blue color to this side. So you have to place this piece here. So you have to place this piece at the bottom place from here. So this is the place, and then you have to rotate it like that and bring it back. So you have switched the blue piece from here to here, and now rotate it back up. The correct piece is placed, blue is matched, white is matched, and red is matched. So let's move on to other corner pieces. This will be containing blue, orange, white. Blue, orange, white we have to find. And here is it. Blue, orange, white, we have to place it here. So let's place it. And here is the piece. Blue is here. You have to make the blue piece to here. So you have to do the same thing. Place it at the bottom from where you have to place it, and do the same thing. You have placed blue. Now other corner piece, we have placed the correct piece. Now blue, yellow, orange. It is blue, red, yellow. This is the piece. In this piece, blue is at the bottom. So we have to do that thing 2 times. See, blue is here. And now one more time. Place it at the bottom, and we got blue on this side. So we have solved the first layer plus this. Now the time for second layer. Hope you have understood the first layer. Go back to video. Then to solve the second layer, we should have a same colored T. That is, I have a same white colored T. You can make it any color T, like yellow or something else, but the edge piece should be correct. So I have white edge piece here, and I have a same colored white T. Then in the same colored white T, you have to see the last piece. In the last piece, you have to see the second color, and that is red. This color should be green, because in bottom the center piece is green. So it is not green. So it is the correct piece. And the second color is red, and we have to see where the red side is. Here is the red side. The center piece is red. So we have to move this piece here on the right side. So this will have a red color. So there is an algorithm to place this piece here. So follow the algorithm, and remember, if you have to place this piece on the left side, then there is a different algorithm, and if you have to place this piece on the right side, then there is different algorithm. But now we are placing this piece on the right side. So follow the algorithm, that is D prime, R, D prime, R prime, D, F, D, F prime. We have placed this piece, and we have whole red. And you have to do this step again and again in the second layer to solve. So this should not be green, because here the center piece is green. Orange and white, it is correct. So place the correct. We have the same color T again, and the last piece of the T, that is this piece. The second color of the piece is white. White is on the right side. So we have to follow the same algorithm. D prime, R, D prime, R prime, D, F, D, F prime. So let's move to next step, and we again have a same color T, and we have to place this piece on this side because the second color is yellow and yellow is on this side. We have to place this piece on left side. To left side we have a different algorithm. No much difference in both the algorithms, but you still know that is D L D L prime. So we have solved the whole second layer, and now the time of the bottom color. First, to solve the bottom color, we should have a opposite L like this, and if you have just the center piece, so do the algorithm given on the screen. So let's move on. If you had made this L, then you have to do the algorithm from this side, that is R prime, U prime, R, U prime, R prime, U2, R. And then you will find a straight line. When you will find a straight line, you have to do the algorithm same which I have told you next, that is F, R prime, U prime, R, U, F prime. And then when you get the straight line and do the algorithm, you will get a fish like this. So you have to place the mouth of the fish to the bottom left, and if you don't get the fish and you have got an extra part of the fish, do the algorithm RU and whatever it is from the extra part of the fish, means from here. Then do this again and again from the extra part of the fish place, and you will soon find a whole fish. When you will find a whole fish, you have to place the mouth of the fish to the bottom left and do the same algorithm again. R prime, U prime, R, U prime, R prime, U2, R. Then you will get a whole bottom color solved. Sometimes you have to do it twice. Sometimes you will get a fish again. You will have to place the mouth of the fish to the bottom left again and do the same algorithm again. Then you will find your whole bottom color solved. Then the time of third layer and the last layer. To solve the Rubik's Cube, the last step to solve the Rubik's Cube is that to solve the third layer, first you have to solve these corners. First you have to solve these corners. All corners should be same to their matching side, and then the edges. So first we have to solve these corners. Some people will find two cases in solving the corners. The first case, at one side the corners will be of same color, like white and the sides are match. They will find same corners at one side, and some will find all the different corners, no same colored corners. So there is same algorithm for both the cases, but if you find a side where two of the same colored corners, then bring the opposite of the side and do the algorithm, that is R, F, R, B2, R prime, F prime, R, B2, R prime, R prime, U. Then after this you will get all the corners matched up, and then you will left with edges. Now I have to tell you the second case. If all the corners will be different, then you have to take just one side, which two of the colors will be different, and do the same algorithm which we have done it now, and you will get one side of the corners matched. Now bring the opposite of it and do the same algorithm, and you will get the whole corners solved. Then whole corners matched. Then there are three cases in edges. Some people will find that when they solve the corner, their all edges are of different color but are opposite and switched. Like there is orange here, and orange will have to go here, and red here, and it will have to go here. So they are switched up. Like there is what is the white, yellow, yellow, white. Yellow will have to go here and white will have to go here. So in that case, you have to do the algorithm in the screen as shown. So remember, M is the middle piece. So let's move on to the next step. I have the case, there are three cases. I have the second case in which one of the side is solved and the only three edges are switched, and like red, like this, yellow will have to go here, orange will have to go here. The pieces will have to go leftwards. Yellow this side, orange this side. The edges will be going leftwards to solve the cube. So if we have to move these edges leftward, then there is different algorithm, and when we have to move these edges rightwards, then there is different algorithm. I told you, but there is a very small difference in both the algorithms, and that is the difference of only u. U is the difference. One is u prime and one is u. And other than that, all the algorithm is same. So follow the algorithm given on the screen. Then I will tell you the third case. F2 U R L F2 R prime L prime U F2. So we have solved the whole Rubik's Cube. Hope you have understood. If not understood, the algorithms are also written in the description. Okay, so let's move on to the third case of the edges. First case we have solved, second case we have solved. The third case is the all edges are different, and even they are not switched also oppositely. They are all different. Like this will have to go here, this will have to go here, this will have to go here, this will have to go here. So all are differently mixed. So in this case, you have to do the same algorithm, that is F2, and then you have one side matched and three of the edges different, and do the same which I have done. So thank you for the video. Hope you have understood it and this will be helpful to you. If you like the video, like it, share it, subscribe it. Thank you for the video.